Imagine a place where breathtaking landscapes meets vibrant cultures. A continent full of adventures, history, and natural wonders. Welcome to North America. From the majestic Grand Canyon to the iconic Statue of Liberty, North America is a land of contrast. Here, natural marvels and architectural feats come together to inspire every traveler. Explore the rugged beauty of Yellowstone, where geysers and wildlife remind us of nature's timeless power. Wander through vast forests, pristine lakes, and soaring mountain peaks. The heart of America's wilderness awaits your discovery. But North America is more than just its landscapes. It's a tapestry woven with cultures, traditions, and festivals. In every city and town, from New York's bustling streets to the colorful markets of Mexico, you'll find stories of people, art, and music that celebrate life.
Mardi Gras!
Experience the excitement of Mardi Gras parades, the soul of indigenous traditions, and the flavors of regional cuisine that bring communities together. Every corner of this continent has its own rhythm, inviting you to become a part of its story. Whether you're seeking adventure in the great outdoors or looking to immerse yourself in a melting pot of cultures, North America offers endless possibilities. The spirit of exploration is alive in every city's skyline, every winding trail, and every historic landmark. Join us on a journey through North America, where every road leads to a new experience. Every sound tells a story, and every moment inspires wonder. Your adventure starts here.